Hey, this is Terry's Garage. I'm glad you're here if you're checking this out. Uh, I've made some videos and I've alluded to the key fob um, acting up with the TFT on the new Triumph rocket. So let's start our engines and talk about this some more. The dealer had offered a free battery, and I was floating around yesterday and just stopped in. Got the free battery, and you're going to see some of that experience here. Again, a great dealership, one of the flagship dealers in Michigan, Detroit Triumph. So you're going to see me here because I've been watching Ride Like a Pro. You're going to see me execute one of his turns here. Here we go. I love it. What's life without a little bit of humor? So there you go. And just pulling up here. I'm going to walk in here. That's my tank bag. It's a Fly. Got it from Revzilla. Carry a lot of stuff in it. It's just held there with magnets. They're more than sufficient. You can see me loading up my pockets and stuff. And those are my Cardo commands. I've left them there. I know them now. But until I had them memorized. I have a Cardo 4, folks. Works really well. And that bubble wrap behind that piece of paper keeps it from sliding around inside the saddlebag. So I'm just walking in here, and it's like I said, it's a nice dealership. Has a lot to offer. They also sell Moto Guzzi motorcycles, and it's always nice to stop in here. The staff is great. So I'm just taking my key fob to get the battery. So I had a Crusader comment on my previous video, and he said, well, it's just the battery. So my whole intent here is to, I did get the battery. You're seeing it here. Problem seems to have gone away for now, but I'll be taking some long trips. And right now, though, when I get on the bike with the key fob in my pocket, right-hand pocket, the bike appears to be normal and starting every time. But, I haven't fully cleared this because that's right. Because I need to ride the bike and make sure that key fob warning light doesn't come on the TFT. So that's important. It kind of freaks you out when you're riding and that comes on if you're not familiar with it. I got used to it. I don't expect it to come on anymore. But the moral of the story is the battery in the key fob from the factory does not have a long shelf life. That's the conclusion I'm coming to based upon this experience. And knock on wood, I will not have any more issues. The bike is very high quality. I was surprised when this started happening, but that battery, even though I bought my bike last January, February, it must have by now been at least 7 or 8 months old. So I have a Super Duty battery in now, that fob, and it should work good. So this is just me riding back after that great experience. I'll do additional updates. I'll just thank Crusader again. It appears, and what I'm hearing from other folks is that the batteries just need to be replaced on these key fobs if you have that issue with the Rocket 3 GT. So I take the rating for the bike in my initial video to launch this platform, Terry's Garage, under On Down the Road Productions. I had said 8.2 out of 10. I now give the bike a 9.9 out of 10, provided that key fob out of range light doesn't flash all over me again. And that's really it. I appreciate everybody watching. I hope you can hit like and subscribe and come with me on this journey as we grow Terry's Garage. And tell you, it takes everyone, doesn't it? So I've consolidated my findings with the key fob here, coming up in just a matter of moments. Simple Allen wrench will take the back off. The battery goes in 3 seconds, and it does appear to be the issue. If you own a Rocket, 2020 Rocket, that'll do it. Here are the takeaways. That must have been my lunch. Hey, we know this guy. That's me. All right. How cool can that be? Hit like and subscribe. That'll help me. And leave some comments and come grow with me. Okay. And we are Terry's Garage, motorcycles, cars and trucks, and anything cool.